Stop reading for a moment and close your eyes and focus on this very moment. What do you feel in your body? How do you feel? What do you smell? What do you hear? Do not give any attention to your thoughts, but focus with all your senses on the here and now. Your thoughts will wander off at certain points. That is normal. That is how our brain functions. At that moment, when your thoughts come back, pull your attention gently back to the here and now. Note down the thoughts that came to you. Were they more positive or negative thoughts? Look at your thoughts more closely. Was there one thought which lasted longer? Or did they come and go quickly? Were they just associating thoughts? Or were you captured in one worry? Were they sentences or pictures? Were these thoughts turning around a topic that are currently a big part of your life? Or thoughts of the past? Or plans for the future? In what way do these thoughts influence your emotions? Do these thoughts bring big tension to your body? Thoughts often disappear if you bring the focus back to your breathing. You can control your thoughts in this case. What kind of feeling does this give you? How can you integrate this awareness in your current everyday life? What could you do regularly to come back to the here and now? Maybe you can decide for certain times during your day, like when you brush your teeth, while having your tea, or as soon as you have a low point in your day, to integrate this awareness. We hope that this little exercise was of use to you. If you feel like, please share your experience with us. Be safe, be well, flood your being with light and trust.